Today we're looking at a 2023 Cherokee Wolfpack 345 Pack 14.5 toy hauler. It does have a 14.5 foot garage. Awesome. These Wolfpacks are just awesome. Cherokee's done an excellent job. Look at the reflective windows they've done. It's got a large party deck on the back. This coach is just jam-packed with a ton of features. Full fiberglass. I love how it's got the platinum. You know, it's a very reflective. Again, it's a long one, 345 Pack 14.5 for 14.5 foot garage. So coming into your main living area, you got two bar stools here, right across from your party sofa. Awesome party sofa. It's got a fireplace down below. You can mount a TV up. Large residential door going into your large garage. Again, a 14.5 foot garage. Got your 3-season doors to go back to your patio door. Look at this party door, the party deck and everything. Just a place to hang out. Got opposing sofas for your beds that go up and down. You do have a half bath on this model. Wash and dry prep right there in the center. Here's our half bath. So we've got a little sink in here, medicine cabinet, coat hanger, toilet. Coming up in our living area, look at this layout. So you've got like a U kitchen, right? Two bar stools, ton of cabinets up top, awesome backsplash, residential faucet, more cabinet storage. Now we'll come up towards our front bedroom and our full bath. So this is got a slide out here with your residential, just like a lighter wood type of feel. Looks really nice. You've got storage up above the bed, a wardrobe slide that slides out, give you extra storage, full tall closets. Then you got your full bath, right? So you got your medicine cabinet here, toilet below, radius shower, plenty of head clearance with your skylight, medicine cabinet with the sink down below. It's an awesome layout for a toy hauler. Cherokee just does a really nice job with their backlighting and everything too. You see all the backlighting, the blue backlighting they've done throughout everything. Give you a lot of counter space, large pantry.